Welcome back, everyone. How are you? 3.6 Logarithm, Indices, and Surds. Okay, 3.6 is very important exercise according to examination point of view, and I would like to do all the questions. I will try my best. Like in this situation, when we have log equal sign and log, and both the bases are same, like log base 2, log base 2. So what we can do, this actually we do not cancel, we compare these and these two parts because these are same, so we compare this parts. Normally what's it is this and this cancel out above what equal and only single logs both the sides, like here you have equal sign, here is single log, but in left hand side we are having log two times, so I want to make this as a single log. This is our target. Okay, so what you can do in the first part, in question number 1, when you have this and this cancel out, x minus 1 is equals to 4x minus 7, and now you can simplify. X minus 4x is equals to minus 7 and plus 1, minus 3x is equals to minus 6, x equals to minus 6 upon minus 3 is only 2, and which we have done. Okay, sometimes when we have two results of x, we have to check it out, like x2, 2 minus 1 is 1. I mean, here should not be negative. Like with log, any of the base, this part should not be negative. This is not valid, not possible, or undefined value. Okay? Okay, 1. This part, the log is how many times? 2 times. Here, here, and here. And there is no coefficient here, so I can make single logarithm. Single log means, like question number 2, log base 3 x plus 2. When you have plus sign, this will multiply. X plus 2 with x minus 2 is equals to 2x minus 1. Sorry, the log base of 3 2x minus 1. This and this not cancel out, is we are comparing these two values. So x plus 2, x minus 2, difference of 2 square, we can write a square minus 2 square, the formula, and 2x minus 2x and plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, x square minus 4 minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. X square minus 2x and minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, factors. X squared minus, multiply to get 3, minus to get 2, 3 and 1. So we can write 1x and minus 3x, right? So common is x plus 1, 3 common, x plus 1. So x plus 1 once and x minus 3. So x is coming minus 1 and x is coming 3. But here, when I put minus 1 here, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, there is positive value, minus 1 and minus 2 is negative value. So this minus 1 will be rejected. This is not your result, so I will write only x3 is your result. This is the way you have to check it out in the exam, please. Okay? Okay, moving to question number 3. So I need the support of my other app. Okay, we can have, okay, I will try 4 questions together. Okay, in question number 3. In 3, LG means base 10, LG, base 10, LG, okay. We are having two possibilities here, like when I want 0 and I want LG, what I will write, LG with 1 is always equals to 0. I can also write LG1 here, but actually what this negative, when I shift in right hand side, that is easy, I think so. LG 18 plus LG 1 upon 3x is equals to LG x plus 1. There is a other way this I can write here LG1, but I think it's very simple. Single log, when I write 18 plus will multiply with this because the plus sign is there between two logs, and LG x plus 1. So now we can compare 3 and 18 is 6x, cancel out, 3 times 1, 3, 6, 18, x plus 1. So x shifted left hand side is 1x is 5x, so 5x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 1 upon 5, and we have done it. Okay, log 3x and 1. Okay, when I want 1, do you think what should we write? We can write LG10, we can write ln but actually what base we required here? The base is 3, so it means I will use log 3 and 3. This is very important. What we need actually we have to put here. So here I will write log 3 here. Okay. So the part 4 is I will write log 3x plus log 3 x plus 2, and here instead of writing 1 I will write log 3. When we have 5 here we write log 5, and 5 when we need 7 here we write log 7. What we need actually we can write, there is no coefficient here, we can write single log 3, and this will multiply here x into x plus 2, and this is log 3. Now we can here cancel out what is left, x plus 2, this is left, and 3. So x squared plus 2x is equals to 3. When I shift in left hand side is minus 3 equal to 0. And okay, minus to get multiply to get 3 and minus to get 2. Okay, what are the factors? 3 times 3, 1 is 3. Okay, this is 3x minus x and minus 3 equals to 0. I am solving here. Common is x plus 3 and minus 1 x plus 3. This is the way we can get the answer, and please, I am solving because I want to check in the end that the value of x is defined or undefined. X is minus 3, sometimes negative is also right. 1. Okay, for this x minus 3, when I substitute x, okay, this is 4, we cannot move, this is negative sign, this is rejected, so this value is rejected. We don't need this because this is giving negative value, so this is not possible, and this is your result, and we have done it. Question number 4. Question number 5, this 2 we don't need coefficient when we write single logarithm. So question number 5, I am just writing LG 5 square minus LG x plus 2. Okay, this one what we can write? Yes, LG 10, because base 10 LG is used, so I will write 1. Here 1 is log 3 we have written. Here we write LG 10 minus 2x minus 1. Now single log minus means this will divide. LG 5 squared is 25 divided by x plus 2, and same thing here, when I do single log minus means I have to divide. Now what we can do, this is cancel out, you can compare these two and simplify and get the answer, please. Question number 5, we have done 6. 2, 2, 2. Okay, this situation when 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there, in left hand side you can write, there is no problem in the left hand side to write, but right hand side there is a like tricky point. This 3 I will write after this 3 which base? 2, log 2 and 2. This means this 3 will move up, like it will become the power of 2. So in question number 6 I will write only single log plus multiply, so I will write log 2 x minus 2 will multiply with 8 minus x divided by x minus 5 is equals to, here 3 is becoming the power of 2, so 2 means 2 cube is 8. So what I will write here, I will write log 2 and 2 cube. Now after this you can cancel out this and you can compare these two values and please solve it. There's no problem, I think so. Okay, question number this is very important actually, because my next video will be about the past paper at this topic, so that I think is an important task to do. We have done till question number 6. Okay, 7, 8. Okay, I am doing last two questions first, then we can move. Okay, question number 9. In question number 9, three log x2, this 3 will become the power, and x 18 is there. When I want something here, I will write log, which base is use x, I will write log x and x. So this 2 will become the power of x. This is the way this we can write here. Okay, so the first part is log x 2 power is 3 plus log x 18 is equals to log, what we can write, x and x power is 2, single log we can write log x, this 2 cube is 8 and plus means we have to multiply with 18, then in right hand side you have to write log x and x square. By this way this is cancelled out and you can simplify with 18 and this 2 and you can get the answer. Okay, question number 10. I want to save my time because the next questions, when the bases are not same, most difficult question I think so in logarithms. Log p2 log p x minus 1, when you want to write 0, remember what I have done, discuss with you, lg1 is 0, ln1 is 0 and log 2 1 is also 0. So what we need, p, so we write log p with 1 is also equals to 0. So it means here when I write the single log here, single log, what's the single log I am solving here? Okay, log p 2 multiplied by x minus 1, but here 0, I will write log p with 1. This is cancelled out and 2x minus 1 is equals to 1, 2x minus 2 equals to 1 and 2x is equals to 3 and then x is equals to 3 upon 2 and gets the answer. Okay, I will, okay, these are the past paper questions is given here, past paper questions. So I will move to question number 11 now. Okay, question number 11, good, but I will do only one part because I have to start, next video will be about the past papers. Solve the equations. This 3, I want to write again, this 3 will become the power, so I will write log lg x minus 1 cube is equals to lg 8. This is cancel out, x minus 1 whole cube is equals to, can you write 2 cube? Cube and cube cancel out, x minus 1 is equals to 2 and x is equals to 3 and that's your answer. Okay, one of the past paper question. This question number 13 is also a past paper question and I would like to solve this 13 and also taking 14. Okay, 13 simultaneous equations. Okay, this part 3p, 9 we can make base power 3, 27 we can make power of 3, okay? So 3 power p, 9 will become 3 squared, and 27 will become 3 cubed, and already power is cubed, so it will multiply. Basis same, power will be added, 3 power 2 plus 3 cube, and finally when we have the same basis, we will have an equation p is equals to 2 plus 3 cube. This is your first equation, okay? Okay, now I am moving to this part. Okay, this part, log 27, basis 2, basis 2, basis 2. How can I make here 1? Log 2, 2, I have told you, okay? Log 27 minus log 2 11 cube minus 2p is equals to log 2 and 2. Single log negative sign, we can write log 2 7 upon 11 cube minus 2p, and this is log 2 and 2, and we can cancel out and we can write 7 upon 11 cube minus 2p is equals to 2. To cross multiplication this equation and this equation, we can use simultaneous and get the answer. Please do it. It's very simple. Now you can do it. Okay, this type of questions are the ideal questions, like basis 3 and basis x. This is the very good example of change of base law. Okay, I am doing the A part. This is 100% past paper question, and I will discuss with you the same type of question. 14 part A. This is base 3, and here is given that base 3 x is y. It means we need base 3. We need base 3 here. Base 3, our target is base 3. This is okay. This is base 3, so this is equals to y, but this is not base 3. This part, and this part is not base 3. Oh, very dark. This part is not base 3. Okay, this is good. This part is not base 3. So what I can do, I have to convert into base 3. Okay. Remember we have discussed interchange in third base. Do we have to interchange this? Yes, we need base 3. So what we can do? Log 3x plus 2 is equals to, we can write 1 upon interchange of base. Yes, this will become 3 and this is x. Now you can write log 3x is y, so I can write y here and y here. So y plus 2 is equals to 3 upon y, and now we have the quadratic, like cross multiplication quadratic equation. So what we have, y squared plus 2y is equals to 3. Then 3 is minus 3 when we shift left hand side. Factors are multiplied to get 3 and minus to get 2, so it means minus 3y and plus y, and minus 3 equals to 0. Common in first two, y minus 3. Nothing is common, is 1, y minus 3. So the final answer is y minus 3 and y plus 1. So y is equals to y minus 3 and y plus 1 equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 and y is equals to minus 1. But remember, we are finding solve the equation means in the equation x is there, so I have to apply since here. This y is equals to log 3x. Now please don't forget, we need here okay, since y is log 3x, log 3x is equals to, y is log 3x and 3 is there. You can write in the index form, 3 power 3 is x. So 3 power 3 is x. So x is equals to 27, and that's your first answer. Okay. Now this part, when I write here log 3x, I'm writing here log 3x is equals to minus 1. Was the index form 3 power minus 1 is equal to x. So 3 power minus 1 is equal to x, and x is equals to 1 upon 3, and that's we have done. And I think so we have done like 3.1 till 3.6. We have done number of questions. So next video will be about only the past papers, about the topic indices, surds and logarithms, and we are having number of questions. And let's see, I hope that you understood my lecture, my way of teaching. When you think this is good, please share with your friends, and so that you can like also press the bell icon so that you can receive my new videos. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.